Xiaomi's factory has been widely reported as a highly automated smart factory, where it is described as producing one SU7 roughly every 76 seconds at full capacity. The tour kicks off in the stamping and casting area, where Xiaomi reveals that their hypercasting system uses a giant 9,100-ton die casting machine. This absolute beast of a machine presses the entire rear underbody of the car into a single, unified piece in a matter of seconds. It eliminates over 800 individual welding points, which significantly cuts down the car's weight while making the chassis incredibly strong and rigid for safety. Moving into the body shop, the level of automation here is absolutely staggering. You see hundreds of bright robotic arms pivoting, welding, and piecing together the car's skeleton with pinpoint precision. Next comes the paint shop, where the 75 painting robots spray the body in a 3C2B process, including 3 coats and 2 bakes for that smooth, even finish, averaging 120 micrometers thick. When it is on to final assembly, the robots install the front and rear glass windshields, plus the panoramic canopy with sub-millimeter precision. The battery pack, using their innovative cell-to-body integration, gets married to the chassis in under 30 seconds by automated equipment. Throughout the process, AI-powered inspection stations scan everything, including the chassis, exterior, and paint, with over 99.9% accuracy. Lasers and vision systems double-check alignment, gaps, and quality at multiple points. Because of this seamless robotic coordination, a brand new car is capable of rolling off this very production line every 76 seconds.